हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो फ्रेंड, आज की वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं कैपजेमिनी, कॉग्निजेंट, टीसीएस, एम्फोसिस, विप्रो, ओके, इन्फोसिस की तरफ से जो भी हमारे पास अपडेट्स हैं वो डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो को आप लोग जो है फ्रेंड इन तक जरूर देखना। तो चलिए फ्रेंड, करते हैं वीडियो को स्टार्ट। सबसे पहले आप लोग मेरे स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हो फ्रेंड, ये आपका अपडेट्स आ रहा है फ्रॉम दी कैपजेमिनी टीम की तरफ से। जैसे कि आपको मेरे स्क्रीन पर देखने को मिल रहा होगा फ्रेंड, LOI रिसीव्ड डेट ऑन March 22, बीटेक ECE 2021 बैच, onboarding location is Mumbai and date of joining is around 5th of December 2023. Okay, and if you can see the second candidate is from batch 4 and he got the joining date is 30th of September, 30th of November. Okay, and next you can see on my screen, this is the joining date for the intern join date. So if you are looking very carefully the particular screenshot, you will see over there completed to help you get onboarded as an intern on your date of joining. But right now CSD, if you talk about CSD joining candidates, CSD candidates only got their assessment mail updates after completing the you can say leader connect session, but there is no joining updates yet. But once you complete your assessment, your CSD assessment, fundamental skill assessment, then you will receive your joining date in the month of October. Yes, definitely. But right now the joining date is you are showing in my screen is 13th of October is for intern joining date for the candidates who are waiting for their onboarding and joining updates. Okay, so you can see complete. So if you completed your document verification process, you will not require to complete it once. If you already completed, then that you can leave this thing, because they already saying in the particular mail, if you're not completed, just complete it once. Okay, onboarding pass will get before 3 days of your date of joining. Your joining is 30th October, so around 9th or 10th October you will receive your onboarding pass. If you're not completed any अगर आपका कोई डॉक्यूमेंट बचा हुआ अपलोड करने के लिए, तो आपके पास अनेबल टू ऑनबोर्ड का मेल देखने को आ सकता है। बाकी यहाँ पर प्रोवाइड योर सिग्नेचर, प्रोवाइड डेट ऑफ विच प्रिंटेड स्कैन द मैनुअली साइंड LOA। आपको मैनुअली साइन करना पड़ेगा LOA को, ठीक है। प्रिंट आउट निकलवा के साइन करके उसको फोटो खींचिए, PDF अपलोड करना पड़ेगा आपको। अगेन कंप्लीट ऑल द फॉर्म अंडर प्री जॉइनिंग फॉर्म। अगर आप ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर चुके तो आप लोग इसे इग्नोर कर सकते हो। अपॉन सक्सेसफुल कंप्लीशन ऑफ BGB एंड प्री जॉइनिंग फॉर्मेलिटीज, यू विल रिसीव अ नोटिफिकेशन ईमेल विद अ लिंक टू डाउनलोड योर ऑनबोर्डिंग पास 3 days बिफोर योर डेट ऑफ जॉइनिंग एज एन इंटर्न। रिफर बिलो टेबल फॉर मोर डिटेल्स एंड रिपोर्ट इन पर्सन। आपका इन पर्सन होने वाला है एट द कॉग्निजेंट ऑफिस, एड्रेस प्रोवाइडेड ऑन द जॉइनिंग डेट अलॉन्ग विद द प्रिंटेड कॉपी ऑफ द onboarding pass. Please stay tuned for regular updates via OneSea portal where you are uploading all your required documents. Date of joining 30th October. Reporting location Pune from 2023 batch, Cognizant office location you can see over the screen. Okay, so next you can see on my screen, this is a TCS updates coming from the candidates from 2023 batch from digital, or you can say Ninja as well. And you can see joining date is around 26 October, and the particular candidates didn't receive any mail. He just checked their Nextra portal after watching my video, and he got their joining letter generated in ILP corner. Okay, just complete and just accept your joining letter. You can see the location is around Kolkata. Okay, and you can see the date is 26 October 2023 and you're ILP eligible. Okay, in ILP schedule. And next you can see the date is around 19th October. This is for the digital 2023 batch. Location is Bangalore, and you can see you're not pre-mapped. If you are pre-mapped, then you will see over there is your unit also, but there is no unit mentioned over there, so they will provide as per their requirements. And next, okay, so for next you can see general query by 2024 batch. If your friend classmate has received the onboarding template and you haven't, please do not panic. We are onboarding in batches and we connect with your for a different batch. Okay, Ripple hire links. If you have shared or submitted all document, please wait while we process document. We do not write multiple email required about Ripple hire links. Documentation link, onboarding link. You will be receiving documentation link post acceptance of the offer letter. The offer letter has an option of accept offer at the end of the offer letter. Kindly click on the accept of email of the letter of offer. Email confirmation isn't required. Okay, and you can see this type of mail candidates are receiving, but there is no dates mentioned over there. But yes, they are definitely going to send you a joining date very soon. Congratulations, we are initiating your onboarding to we are initiating your onboarding to Infosys. Your data joining will be shared soon, and this is a demand document. You have to complete it once, and LOI cancellation. Currently we are planned for remote onboarding, and this is a online training is going to be happen from the Infosys. And if you talk about the like Wipro, sir, I got the survey mail from light phase 1 and phase 2 and Wilp candidates, and yes friend, there is no update after the survey mail received. And for Wilp, And for the Wilp candidates, got their document verification call as well. But for the Elite phase 1 and phase 2, didn't receive any type of mail after submitting the survey mail. And if you talk about the Infosys, yes, friend, there is a no updates. So for those candidates who are asking the same question again, no, there is a no update till now for Infosys for their onboarding and joining updates. And Wipro, after submitting the survey form, still there is no updates. So when we can expect their joining date. So it's totally depend on their business requirements. So most probably in the upcoming months you can expect your joining date. As per you already know that Wipro already announced that in via survey mail for Wilp candidates they are going to onboard in the month of October to December. But still now there is no update. Just wait for some time. Depending upon their business requirements, as per their in upcoming months you can expect your onboarding and joining update. So I think that's it for video. If you have any doubt in कमेंट सेक्शन, अगर आपको अदर कंपनी के अपडेट्स जानने हैं तो आप लोग कमेंट करके जरूर पूछना. मिलते हैं सुबह में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.